Time to cut this piece for the truck. Perfect, now to put them together. Yes! My truck cargo container is ready! Almost done cutting. Now to put the pieces together. There! My truck cargo container is ready!
Yes. Whee! Go, truck!